Similarly, in this virtual lab, let us do one another experiment. Let's say Windbridge oscillator. So this is the aim for that one, to analyze Windbridge oscillator using op-amp. Then read the theory. You will have all the theory. The frequency of oscillation is given by 1 upon 2 pi RC, and the condition for Bar-Khassan criteria to meet, the gain should be 1 plus Rf upon R1 equals to 3, means Rf upon R1 equals to 2, and if that condition is met, it will work as a Windbridge oscillator. Then you appear for pre-test. So there is a pre-test before doing the experiment. Students are supposed to see whether they have understood the Windbridge oscillator or not. So accordingly, when all the questions are solved, one can submit the quiz. So immediately they will get the response and they can learn. After this, study this procedure. So here the procedure is given. Read that procedure. It says connect the output terminals to the CRO L1, L2, L3, L4 like this, L1 to L2, L3 to L4, and increase the resistance from 0.3 to 300 kilo ohm. Add it to table. So let us see a simulation. In this simulation, we are observing there is a circuit diagram of this Windbridge oscillator. We are supposed to only connect this L1 to this L2, means CRO, and this ground to this L4, and check for the connection. It says right connection. If it is a wrong, we are supposed to reset it and do the connections again. Now this says it is a right connection, so we will go for doing the experiment. Now here there is a value of resistors 150 already set, and just calculate it. We have calculated it and we got a oscillations like this one. So this doesn't seem to be like a sinusoidal, but some modulated sort of thing. So let us change certain value of a register. Unless and until the Bar-Khassan criteria or the gain and all these values are met, we will not get the proper oscillations. So that you should check when you are getting the oscillation. Like this one, in this one, I have changed the resistance value as 39.7 for a fixed capacitor value 0.01 microfarad. If this is the required oscillations for zero point 0.4 kilohertz, I get this oscillation. I am able to see the different amplitude like this one. These I am able to observe. And if this value is okay to you, you can add it to table. So these values are being inputted and we can see here the frequency. Again, you can change certain frequency. For this change of frequency, just calculate it. You got a new oscillations. If these values are suitable to you, add it to table like this one. If I change like anything and I get this type of values, I can add it. So I get such type of waveform. In this way, you can do a simulation for Windbridge oscillator. After this, you should go for post test and see the references. This is all about this experiment, and it is very easy. So in this way you can perform the related other experiments which are there in this one, like integrator, differentiator, log amplifier, etc.